Autodesk Vault can create and maintain a complete manufacturing bill of materials for your designs. A BOM summarizes the information needed for manufacturing a part or product. Information such as part number, material, description, unit of measure or quantity. Your BOM consists of items that can be easily synced with your business systems such as ERP or PLM. Your CAD files are assigned to items, and the Vault BOM Master generates a complete list of items for the given design. Using Vault items, you can quantify objects that aren't represented by a CAD file, such as grease, adhesive, product packaging or documentation. Vault can automatically assign numbers for items using numbering schemes which are customizable by you. Alternatively, item numbers can be assigned using existing document properties or manually. Item numbers can be edited at any time without losing their links to the BOM or their CAD files. Items in BOMs are managed using revisions and lifecycle states such as work in progress or released. For example, when a design moves out of a release state to work in progress, Vault responds by automatically bumping the revision in preparation for editing and re-release. An entire product design can be managed using lifecycle states. Once released, the design, BOM, and associated documents are locked, preventing an uncontrolled change. Product BOMs can be edited separately to your CAD files, including adding custom items, removing duplicate items, changing quantities, or reordering of the BOM. Vault's BOM revisions are flexible, and designs can be rolled back to a previous revision if change management requires it. It's also easy to compare one BOM revision with another, to see what changed between revisions. Select the desired BOM and revision to be compared, and visual feedback in the form of colors and annotations will provide the detail of any differences. Vault's BOMs can be linked to your existing business management solutions or simply exported for use outside of Vault. Vault makes it easy to create and maintain an accurate and complete bill of materials directly from your vaulted data.